standing up.
I was a quick, wet boy, diving too deep for coins. All of your street light eyes wide on my plastic toys. Then when the cops closed the fair, I cut my long baby hair and stole me a dog-eared map and called for you everywhere. Have I found you, flightless bird, jealous? We've been lost you. American mouth, big blue. Now I'm a fat house cat, nursing my sorbent tongue, watching the warm boys and rats drill through the white fence cracks, pissing on magazine photos, those fish and boys.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000.
Essa vida doce não é nada fácil.
Time stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this. for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul. And it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die. Keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts were never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only once, please. Inside these pages, just hold me.
Te amo.
Never let you go. Wait for me to come home. 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 Oh, you can fit me inside the necklace you got when you were 16, next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep in the soul. And if you hurt me, well, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me, and I won't ever let you go. When I'm away, I will remember how over the horizon into her eyes. Oh my, how beautiful. Oh my beautiful mother, she told me.
Oh, minha nossa! Eu sou demais!
Wanna go far. If you do it right, you'll love where you are. Just know. 240,000 miles from the moon. We've come a long way to belong here, to share this view of the night, a glorious night. Over the horizon there's another bright sky. Oh my, how beautiful. Oh my, irrefutable Father, he told me, son, sometimes it may seem dark, but the absence of the light is a necessary part. Just know
sobre ter todas as pessoas do mundo pra ti. É sobre saber que em algum lugar alguém zela por ti. É sobre cantar e poder escutar mais do que a própria voz. É sobre dançar na chuva de vida que cai sobre nós. É saber se sentir infinito no universo tão vasto e bonito. É saber sonhar. Então fazer valer a pena cada verso daquele poema sobre acreditar.
Ai! Ih, doido,
Não é sobre chegar no topo do mundo, saber que venceu. É sobre escalar e sentir que o caminho te fortaleceu. É sobre ser abrigo e também ter morado em outros corações. E assim ter amigos contigo em todas as situações. A gente não pode ter tudo. Qual seria a graça do mundo se fosse assim? Por isso eu prefiro os sorrisos e os presentes que a vida trouxe pra perto de mim. Não é sobre tudo que o seu dinheiro é capaz de comprar, e sim sobre cada momento, sorriso a se compartilhar. Também não é sobre correr contra o tempo pra ter sempre mais, porque quando menos se espera a vida já ficou pra trás. Segura teu filho no colo, sorri, abraça seus pais enquanto estão aqui. Que a vida é trem-bala, parceiro, e a gente é só passageiro, prestes a partir. Segura teu filho no colo, sorri, abraça seus pais enquanto estão aqui. Que a vida é trem-bala, parceiro, e a gente é só passageiro, prestes a partir.